Right, first trick I take for ace, 1, 2, 3, 4, and take for queen, 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, I take for queen, 1, 2, 3, 4 queen, and take for ace, 1, 2, 3, 4 ace. Now I take one ace and put on her like this. It's really crazy. Now this 3 ace and 4 queen. It's really, really true. Look, hearts, spades, and clubs. Clubs, spades, and hearts. 3 ace here, and now this is 4 queen. Ace number 1, maybe putting her like this. Ace number 2, maybe putting her like this. Ace number 3, maybe putting her like this. And now I squeeze this 3 ace, I'm sorry. So, and now I turn over this ace. This is ace of hearts, really crazy ace. Look, ace of hearts, putting her like this. 1 ace here and 3 ace here. Look, 1, 2, and 3 ace. It's really, really true. Now snap my finger, and ace vanish. Snap my finger, ace vanish. It's really crazy. And now I shuffle these cards and spectator stop anytime. It's really crazy. Look, stop anytime. Stop, right? And now I drop this card. This is ace of hearts. Snap my finger, and now I search 3 ace. Wow. Spectator, please stop anytime. Maybe here. Now I take ace of diamonds. Look, I take ace of diamonds. Vanish. I take ace of diamonds, drop it my right hope, and now this ace of diamonds. It's crazy trick. Let's learn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really unbelievable nice card trick. Yes guys, it's really crazy, it's really nice trick. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now. And now I teach you this card trick like this. Yes, it's really crazy, it's really unbelievable card trick, it's really foundation magic. And now I teach this trick. Let's go. So first trick, you make a little setup. You take 4 ace, you take 4 queen, and take 1 random cards. Maybe joker, maybe blank, maybe any cards. Alright. So and now your setup look like this. You take maybe ace of diamonds, and this ace of diamonds put in her your left pocket, maybe right pocket, maybe put in her your box. It's really anywhere. Maybe I take my left pocket. Alright. And next step, I take this 3 ace, ace of hearts, ace of clubs, take this joker, maybe blank, why not, and ace of spades. And now you take this queen, hearts, clubs, diamonds, spades. 4 queen, and 3 ace, and 1 joker. Alright. And next step, you show it and take normal deck. Maybe make it fun, it's really normal deck. And now you take 4 ace. Look, I take ace of hearts, I take ace of clubs, and now spectator here, yes? And now look, I take 4 ace, 1, and now you make move it like this, take 2, and now because I covered my joker, 3 and 4, right? Spectator, look this, look, I take 4 ace, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And now of course I take 3 ace and 1 card, this is joker. So look, I repeat, hearts, clubs, joker, spades, and put in her like this. And now you repeat, take 4 queen, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this pile drop it like this and turn over, and this queen drop it like this. Alright. And now you take this 4 queen and show it queen one by one. You take queen of hearts, queen of clubs, queen of diamonds, queen of spades, and turn over this pile. Now you take this pile 4 ace, of course this is 3 ace and 1 joker, and now make empty count. You take 1 cards, and now you make empty count, take 2 cards, 1, 1, alright? It's really easy move. Look, you set up like this, hearts, clubs, joker, spades. You make empty count 1 card, this is 2 cards, 1, 1, alright? And now turn over like this. And next step, you take these cards, of course this is joker, and put in her like this and drop it, alright? It's really easy. Take these cards and drop it like this, alright? And now you turn over 3 ace, turn over 4 queen. It's really normal cards. And next step, your left hand make a break. This is 2 queen, 2 cards, and squeeze. This is 3 ace, and squeeze and make a break 5 cards. All right, 3 ace and 2 queen. It's really easy. Show it like this. Make a break 2 cards and squeeze. This is 3 ace and make a break 5 cards. 3 ace and 2 queen. All right. Make a break and save it your break. And next step, you take this your break, pile 5 cards. All right. 2 queen and 3 ace. And now you show it to 3 ace one by one. You take ace of hearts, turn over, ace of spades, turn over, and now these 3 cards, drop it like this, and turn over ace of clubs. And now you repeat clubs, spades, hearts, and drop it like this. Alright. And next step, you turn over this pile, and show it and flash this queen like this, and now you make a fun like this. It's really easy move. Look, turn over, flash this queen, because you set up like this 2 queen and 2 ace. And now you flash this queen, and now make it fun like this. Alright. Don't fun like this, because this is show it 2 ace. You flash this queen and make it move it like this and make it fun like this. And now you show it this ace number 1 and putting her like this. Ace number 2, putting her like this. Ace number 3, putting her like this. It's really crazy. And now you squeeze. And next step, you make a break these 2 cards. This is queen of hearts, alright? Look, you squeeze these cards, and now you make a break like this and save it your break, alright? It's really, really easy. Look. 3 ace, 4 queen, turn over, flash this queen and make it fun like this. Take ace number 1, putting her like this. Queen of hearts, putting her like this. Alright? King of clubs, putting her like this. Squeeze. And now make a break like this and save it your break. Your break, this is 3 cards, ace of hearts, like this. Alright? So, the next step, you transfer your break your right hand. Take this deck, and now you turn over this joker, alright? And drop it these 3 cards your break. Look. Turn over this joker and drop it these 3 cards and show it this ace of hearts. It's really easy, because you save it your break. Turn over and drop it like this. These cards, drop it like this. You show this ace of hearts. Your left hand, this finger, count 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. And turn over these 4 cards like this. It's really easy. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4 cards, and turn over like this. And drop it like this. Of course, you drop a joker. So, the next step, you take this pile and show it 3 cards, turn over face down. Of course, you take 4 cards and 2 cards, turn over face down. You show it 3 cards, turn over face down. Alright, look, you take 1 cards, you take 1 cards, you take 1 cards, and now you make a switch this pile. You take 1 cards and take these 3 cards, alright? And now you make a break these cards, and these cards, drop it like this. And now you make a slip cut and take this 2 queen face up like this and drop it like this. Alright, I repeat. Alright, look, I repeat. You show it 1 cards, 2 cards, 3 cards, alright? Make a break. Slide these 2 cards and drop it like this. And now you set up like this. 2 cards face up, 2 cards face down. Alright. This is 2 queen and 2 queen. So, and next step, you take this 2 queen and turn over like this and show it 4 queen, because 3 ace vanish. It's really easy. Look, you count these cards 2 cards. I'm sorry, you count this finger 2 cards, and now you turn over these 2 cards and show it this really 4 queen. It's really crazy effects. And now snap your finger and turn over these cards, because this ace really vanish. It's really crazy. And now you take this deck, make maybe any full shuffle. And next take spectator stop anytime. And now use this finger, count 2 cards. 1, 2, make a break and save it to break. spectator stop anytime, and now you take these two cards and make move it like this and drop it these cards like this, right? Now you count two cards, 1, 2, spectator stop anytime, you make move it like this, drop it this card, drop it these cards, and turn over because this ace number 1. And next step, you make a top shot, you production these two cards like this. It's really nice production because it's really cool card move, it's really nice top shot, alright? And next step, spectator stop anytime, maybe here you take these cards, this is ace of diamonds, of course it's really random cards, alright? Stop anytime, this is cards, oh this is ace of diamonds. And now you vanish these cards, look you make a vanish these cards, it's really easy. Maybe you vanish these cards like this, it's really anywhere. Look, you take these cards like this, cover these cards, drop it, take invisible cards, vanish, and take your left hand, you take your left pocket because this is your cards, ace of diamonds. It's really easy, it's really crazy card tricks. Thank you for watching my video, see you later.